All right, back here on the 61 T-Bird. First order of business, remove this horrendous no-name Valvoline instant oil change place. Ugh, oil filter. Ugh. That oil looks like diesel oil at this point. It's so dirty. And the gasket, of course, is stuck. All right. And then we have to get in here on our fuel pump as well, which is going to be fun to replace. It's going to be some up-down today. We'll also drain our oil right now. Get that handled. All right, I've gotten the 2 bolts out of the bottom of the oil filter adapter. I'm actually going to let the car back down. I'm going to pull our fuel pump at the same time. In fact, before I do that, let me undo this fuel line down here. I'm going to get rid of this stupid filter. Filter on the inlet side. Bad. Right. Our oil filter adapter is off. Do a little cleanup there, get that last piece of gasket out. Old gasket here. Get this cleaned off too. And then we'll move on getting our pump out. Kind of glad we're doing both at the same time. Makes it easy. All right, oil filter adapter nice and clean. Ready to go back on when we get down in here. All right, get that piece of adapter off of there. Pull that pump out, and away we go. Come on. All right, so that ain't gonna work. Correct type pump will not fit. Need to go. Damn it. All right. Thankfully, we have very, very good local parts vendors. They happen to have the right pump on the shelf. So it's here, it's on, and I'll finish up the oil filter adapter in the morning, and we will carry on.